Hello everyone, my name is Nikita and I am from the Bodhi Academy. In the previous video, we had started with a chapter from 10th standard science textbook, that is light, reflection and refraction, and today we are going to continue with the further concepts. From this chapter, today we are going to see what is the principal focus. Okay, the principal focus of concave mirror, and later we will be seeing what is the principal focus of the convex mirror. Okay, of the convex mirror. So when we say principal focus, in the last video I had already show where the focus, the principal focus lies. Okay, now today we are going to understand how you get a principal focus. Okay, so in the real time phenomena, we can say that if this is the sun, okay, sun, and the mirror is placed over here, the concave mirror is placed over here, okay, and there is a paper placed over here. So what will happen, the ray of light, okay, passing through the mirror will get reflected over here and it will come at the focus. Okay, and if this paper is placed at the focus, all the rays of light after reflection will fall on the focus, and there will be a large concentration of the rays of light will get concentrated over there, and this will lead to more production of heat and burning of the paper. So let us see how this focus, how we get to know the position of this principal focus. Okay, so for that we need to first draw the mirror and the principal axis. So concave mirror, okay, this is the pole of the mirror. Okay, this is the pole, and the line passing through the pole is called as the principal axis. Now the radius of curvature, okay, the radius of curvature, at that position we have the center of curvature. Okay, now there is a source of light over here, or an object from which the light is coming. Okay, okay, so ray of light coming from this object parallel to the principal axis. Okay, the ray of light coming from this object parallel to the principal axis falls on the mirror. Okay, the ray of light coming from an object which is parallel to the principal axis falls on the mirror. Now it is going this way, no? So the arrow is also in that direction, in this direction. Okay, now what happens after reflection? Now over here, when the ray of light falls on the mirror, there is reflection taking place. After reflection, for a concave mirror, okay, after reflection the ray of light will converge. Okay, all the rays of light converge means they come together. Okay, it converges, this one also converges, this one also converges. Okay, now all these rays of light are converging and they are meeting at a single point. They are meeting at a single point. This point is called as the focus. Okay, or it is called as the principal focus of the concave mirror. Okay, so what is happening? First of all, rays of light parallel to the principal axis falling on the concave mirror. After reflection they are coming back. Okay, after reflection they are converging and meeting at a single point on the principal axis. That point is called as the principal focus of the concave mirror. Okay, so the direction will be now downwards. Okay, this way. Okay, means all they are converging at this point. So what happens, that's the reason now all the ray of light are converging and meeting at one point over here. Okay, they are meeting at one point over here. This ignites the paper. The concentration of rays of light, too much concentration ignites the paper, which makes the paper burn. Okay, so this is the principal focus of the concave mirror. Now we are going to see the principal focus of the convex mirror. Okay, so I draw the convex mirror first. Then this is the center of the mirror is called as the pole, and this is the imaginary line passing through the pole. Okay, now this is the reflecting surface for the convex mirror, so this is the plane surface. Okay, and for a convex mirror, the center of curvature lies on the other side. Okay, center of curvature lies on the non-reflecting side or the plane side, or you can say the center of curvature lies behind the mirror. Okay, behind the mirror. So now same thing happens over here. Okay, now the ray of light coming from the object, okay, coming from the object, falling on the mirror, it falls on the mirror, it comes towards this thing, so we give this arrow for this object, okay, for this ray of light. After falling on this mirror, reflection is happening. Now over here, this was after reflection, they were converging and coming together. Okay, now in this case what is happening is they are not converging, but they are diverging. Okay, they are diverging from the mirror. Okay, they tend to diverge. Okay, and after diverging, they appear to meet at a single point on the principal axis. They appear to meet at a single point on the principal axis. This point is called as the principal focus of the convex mirror. Okay, so over here we can see that in the concave mirror, the principal focus is formed by converging the rays of light. Okay, after reflection they converge at a single point on the principal axis, but for the convex mirror, the ray of light, they diverge. Okay, and then they appear to meet on the principal axis. Okay, so this is a converging lens, a converging mirror, and this is a diverging mirror. Okay, the diverging mirror. Now you can also see another difference, that the principal focus lies in front of the mirror for the concave mirror, and the principal focus lies behind the mirror for the convex mirror. Okay, this is another difference. Okay, so over here we have seen both the principal focus of the concave and convex mirror. Now what could be the statement for this principal focus of convex mirror? All the ray of light parallel to the principal axis falling on the convex mirror, after reflection they diverge. Okay, they diverge, and then they appear to meet at a single point on the principal axis. That point is called as the principal focus of the convex mirror. Okay, so today we have seen what is the principal focus of concave and convex mirror. In the next video we will be seeing the different ray diagrams and different image formations. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.